What's up? We back again for the oovoo. Same time, same place. Wow, it's in the computer room. Old school, 6 something in the morning. You know, we cooking. You know what I'm saying? A little bit. Whoa. Slap. You know what I'm saying? We cooking. Cooking. You know what I'm saying? That we eating. We eating money. This means you getting money. Trust me. I watched the YouTube video. This means you getting money. You know what I'm saying? We eating up here. You know what I'm saying? And we cooking it. You know what I'm saying? We cooking it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Whoa. 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 And then we eat it out. Then we stir it up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Then we cut that shit. Cut that shit. You know what I'm saying? Then we cut that shit. Wow. 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 Whoa. Whoa. You know what I'm saying? We in this bitch. You know what I mean? We eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. 6 in the morning. You do that shit anytime. You feel me? Shit. Uber. What's up?